tried parottas. Now this is usually had with some nice gravy by the side, but today I'm going to show you guys a variation of the parotta. We're going to do a nice and spicy chilli parotta. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I have taken 5 cooked parottas. Cut the parotta into small pieces. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, add 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 finely chopped green chilies, a few curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. Add 1 onion cut into wedges, 1 capsicum cut into wedges, 2 tomatoes deseeded and cut into wedges. Stir fry it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well and cook it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the oil is separating. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and mix well. Add the parotta pieces and mix well. Make sure all the pieces are coated with the sauce. Fry the parotta pieces for about 5 minutes. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves. And serve it hot with some raita. I have made a video on how to make parottas, so if you guys want to try that, you can check out the description. But if you don't have time to make homemade parottas are available in the markets nowadays. You can get ready-made parottas or even the frozen ones and try the recipe. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Print.